Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Let's go. Shout out to Stay Boys for the video. Original video will be in the description. Today we got MSP. I just need a Michigan chase, y'all. We got MSP in pursuit of a stolen Camaro. Y'all know I love Camaros, bro. You gonna see one like right here, down there. You know what I mean? In the corner. I used to own a Camaro. So I see it. It's like a C5. Do they call those C5 and a halves? And he's taking off. He's jumping everything and taking off. Obviously, this trooper has a dog in the back. He's going bonkers. He's ready to bite them niggas. Them boys. I'm gonna hit the like button. Shout out to Stay Boys. The Camaro's got a good gap on him. I didn't hear any engine, so it has to be a V6. A V8, you would kind of hear it woof a little bit. I know that trooper riding with the dog kind of got to be annoying. You know what I mean? He's back there going crazy. If the cops catch the bad guy, I clap it up for him. We have a donut. The end screen will be blue. But let's see what happens. I don't condone running from the police. And I thought Michigan State Police wouldn't chase, to be honest. Dog, y'all. So they fled out the car. So now this has turned into a foot pursuit. Wow, this is from 2022.
Right there, take that one. Stop! Stop! Both you stop! 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 The other one ran in here. The other one ran in here. Hot pursuit. Hot pursuit. Hot pursuit, you're good. Stay, please! Come out! Should we go back? Yeah. Watch the back door. Is he the driver? Here, we got one close. Here we are. I don't fucking know. Here. I got him.
They trying to get that door open. They thought it was GTA.
Open the door now! Get out of the ground! Get out of the ground! Who's in here with? Hey, get off my fucking finger! Hey, hold this door open. I got. Hey, back up! Back up! Stand here, I'll watch him. Yep. Let me throw him in my car. Yep. Stand here. You again. Man, show me your hands. Run, bro. Who else is in here? I'm being here all night. No, you just ran here. I did. I swear to God. You can ask my mama. Stay there. Do not move. Oh, I'm not moving. We need more units to the front of 1143. I want to go point. It's a dude that just ran. Where is he? He talked to me in my eye and told him to get the fuck out. Y'all can come here. Come in here. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Under his back. Is there a back door? Is there a back door? Yes, it's a patio. Hey, man, I don't be having time for y'all, so I don't got time to keep running from y'all, man. I got a little sister, my mom disabled. My mom is up there. Is there somebody up there with you? Yes, that's my mom. You can go up there. Go up there. Stop talking, I can't. Is somebody up there with you?
I wonder if he's lying.
K9, I got him on the backside.
Damn.
K9, I got him on the backside.
So that cop was just pressing in the house for no reason type They got the second guy that was riding in the Camaro.
We have someone with the Camaro. It's still rolling. It's got it. Roll over. Stop.
My tether just died. If y'all don't know, bro, I'm on the box.
You pull your car back here.
Let me get it in a camera angle. I'm not one of them. You know what I mean? I just made a mistake, y'all. JTSpeeds is out on bond. You watch my life update video if you want to get more information on it, but shit, throw that out there to y'all.
K9, we have 2 outstanding, we have 2 in custody. Stand up. My car, you'll see accused driver. Yep.
I got work at 7 in the morning. It's currently 2 a.m. I'm going to get about 4 hours of sleep. You know what I mean? Get up at 6. But the grind don't stop.
Nobody ran out the back because the hedge is locked. Yes, he did. I got him, Sergeant. He's in here somewhere. See, I told you. You ran out the back? See, I told you. Okay, all right, relax. No, I'm just shaking because I'm tired. I got the other one in mind. We're going to make sure who else is up here, okay? Coming up, state police. You can go upstairs. My mom is disabled. Okay, man, state police, coming up. I don't be having time to do this because my mom is disabled. Okay, is there anybody else up here with you? Okay, all right. I was going to say, drive through the Camaro and start going through the Camaro. Went across. Yeah.
How many people are in the car?
Down. Down.
It was just 2.
Down.
I got one at the door. One in the back. They got the K9 looking for something. MS, please do not play, y'all. They gonna get the donut. You know what I mean? Chill, bro. Don't come for me, bro. I'm just a chill guy.
Nah, find it.
That thing must have not had any gas. That's why they couldn't take it on the real chase. It's best to not even ride a stolen car. I'm not saying steal cars, but like, you know, do what you need to do with it and get rid of it. Don't make it like a thing where the police is gonna like be like chasing you. You feel me? Like you're a clown. Do what you need with the car and dump it. Get away from it. Dump it to where you, I mean, no camera's gonna see you and whatnot. Get the F on. Y'all gonna be mad if I put something over that Stay Boys watermark. I'm thinking about doing it. Maybe I'm gonna put it above it. That's better. What is this K9 looking for? I guess when we hear the dog bark, that's when we'll know. So it's a stolen car, and then there's something else stolen, but I'm not gonna say it until the dog find it. I think y'all could guess it.
We have one discarded firearm. Down. Find it. Find it. Down. Down.
What did the dog find?
Is there a free unit that can come to the backside and grab this firearm from me so I can keep going?
Okay, so he found a gun. The dog found a gun. It was a stolen gun.
Hit the south entrance and you'll see me. Down. Down. Go, boy, down. 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 Stay.
Damn. Alright, let's clap it up for MSP. Y'all got him. Shout out to the police dog. Yeah. Don't run from the police. I thought the Camaro would have like a good chance of like getting off. I've never really seen a video of them getting lost. So I don't know. Y'all tell me. But anyways, if you want to join the Liftoff Mob, hit the subscribe button. Smash the like button. Let's get 5 likes. If we can get 5 likes, I'd appreciate that. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace. I thought the shit was sweet. Now I'm in the club throwing ones on these cheeks. Pockets so steep, man, they feeling heavy. I just bought my bitch a Jeep, and they know I got it. I might charge your ass a fee. Bitch, I'm super P. I got a group of bitches and they wanna pick with me. The J's got behind, I just told the driver flee. That bitch is really bad, she ate down to the knee.